All right, next up, Sophia, who asks, how do microchips even work? It's just a green piece of metal. Well, here, for instance, we have a whole bunch of microchips on what's called a logic board, or sometimes known as a motherboard. There's a lot of ports that you might be familiar with, for instance. Like here are some ports for audio, here's some ports for networking, here's some ports for USB and some other devices as well. And those ports, meanwhile, are connected to lots of different chips on this board that know how to interpret the signals from those ports. And perhaps the biggest chip on this motherboard tends to be this thing here called the CPU, or the central processing unit, which is really the brains of the computer. And what you can't necessarily quite see, because most of this is actually paint and not traces, but if I flip this around, you'll actually see in the right light and with the right angle a whole bunch of traces running up, down, left, and right on this logic board that's connecting all of these various microchips. And by trace, I mean a tiny little wire that's been etched into the top or the bottom of this circuit board that connects two parts there.